Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will be talking about the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. Okay, that's a mouthful. I don't know what's going on with all these brands with the mouthful title of their products. But there you have it. Before we even get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I've been hearing that people are not getting the notification when I post a video. So make sure it's on, or just, you know, binge watch a few of my videos real quick so I could pop up whenever I post a new video. Okay? Be sure to also like this video if you like it. And if you don't, then I mean, you don't have to like it, I guess, right? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I've been hearing a lot of good things about the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's very, very pretty. I'm loving the color and all of that. I've been seeing it around, and during Black Friday when Mielle Organics had their $5 sale, everything on the website was literally $5. So me and moms, we stocked up, you know, but I just wanted to go ahead and give this a try, and that's why I purchased it. Plus it was only $5. So be sure to be a part of like the mailing list for Mielle Organics, because you will like get notifications to let you know like, oh, $7 day, $5 day, and you can stock up on all the things that you love from Mielle Organics. Just a little plug. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm just letting you know that's how I save my coins. So the directions for this conditioner, it says to apply to hair working from ends to root, allow conditioner to stay in your hair overnight, apply shower cap for added protection, rinse conditioner in the morning prior to shampooing. Yeah, as you can see, I already shampooed my hair. So obviously we don't follow directions, but we're still gonna use it anyways. We are here. This is gonna be part of wash day. And it's a conditioner. I don't really want to use a conditioner and then rinse it out with a shampoo, but I would like to listen to the directions. So if you purchase this, just follow the directions. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Okay. This conditioner claims, it says, our Hawaiian Ginger Overnight Conditioner is the perfect solution for additional moisture and hydration your hair desperately needs. Not only are you restoring your hair while sleeping, but you are giving your hair a jump start for the next day. The conditioner is great for protecting hair from split ends and leaves the hair feeling soft and silky, infused with ginger and avocado to detangle, restore moisture, and to bring life back to dry, thirsty curls. So y'all already know it's winter season. Even though Florida is bipolar, I can't say that enough, because right now it's actually cold outside. It has like a fresh smell, and then it has like no smell at the same time. It's a very light scent. So the conditioner has like this thick consistency, which I like thick conditioners, so this is good. I like that so far. And like I said before, it has like a light scent. I thought, oh, I smell the ginger. Cause I was about to say that I thought like ginger was gonna smell more prominent and more pungent, but as soon as I mixed it into my hand, that smell came right out, baby. So applying it to the hair, well, my hair is already starting to dry up, so I don't know how I feel yet. I think I have to keep going. So I don't know what I'm looking for, to be honest, as of right now. So let's see. It does have slip, I will say that. As you can see, very easy to detangle. But like, I don't know, I think what's weird is it doesn't have like this, you know how conditioners leave like a wet feeling in your hair? It doesn't really have that feeling. It's more of like, I don't want to say the conditioner is sitting on my hair, because I could actually see it, like my hair swallow it up, but I don't know. Feels weird, but not in a bad way. I guess I'm just not used to, I'm not used to how this feels, but let's keep moving. Yeah, it doesn't have a strong ginger smell, but I definitely can smell the ginger for sure. Yep, it detangles pretty easily. I still don't, like, it's like I'm looking for something, but I don't know what I'm looking for from this conditioner, because I didn't go into this review with any expectations, but I don't know, I feel like I'm trying to figure something out here. But anyways, we're gonna just keep on moving. Oh, I do want to say in this video while we're moving, because I didn't plan on making this a talk video, but we here. I just want to thank everybody who commented on my unemployment video, or who called me, or who hit me up, who gave me advice, who like works in HR and kind of just helped me figure out everything and how to move pretty much. I just want to thank all of you guys because it meant a lot. I didn't really expect to get a lot of feedback. I was just talking to get something off of my chest, and it means a lot when people are rooting for you. Like, it's like you don't even know who's rooting for you until something happens. So I just want to thank everybody who's rooting for me, and thank everybody who actually had kind words to say, who reached out, who is like in the process of even helping me get a job. I'm talking about people took my resume. People told me to email them my resume and all of that. So just thank you guys. I appreciate it. And to everybody who's going through the same thing, thank you for telling me and letting me know, and knowing that I am not the only one out here that's going through this. So shout out to y'all, and again, thank you. Okay, so I'm done applying the conditioner all throughout my head. Sorry if one side is smaller than the other. I did part very crooked. So my thoughts so far about the conditioner is that I can't tell what it's doing yet. That's the only thing I can say right now. Applying it, my hands don't feel like greasy or anything, so it didn't have like that moisturizing feeling that I thought I was gonna get applying it to my hair. So if you're looking for that, it doesn't have it, but the product does have great slip, as you could see in the video or previously. It was very easy for me to detangle my hair. I did go ahead and bobby pin my hair because I am going to sleep in this, and I didn't want to have my clips on going to sleep because it would be uncomfortable, obviously. So today I'll be using my handy dandy Walmart bag because we ran out of shower caps. So I'm just using this to basically wrap my hair, and then after that I'm pretty much done. To go to sleep, I am going to wear my either my bonnet or another one of my scarves for my head, just so that one, I could attract heat to the bag and my head obviously, and also to not dirty my bed just in case this decides to come off while sleeping. And leave in the comment section below if you guys use Walmart bags or shopping bags to wrap your head. And there you have it. Head is wrapped. I could already feel the heat on my head. I will come back to you guys tomorrow after I rinse this out of my hair and let you guys know how I feel about this product. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I am going to sleep. Okay, so far right now, actually from untwisting my hair, it does feel very moisturized. But remember when I was saying like I couldn't tell when I was applying it to my hair? Well, after sleeping in it overnight or whatever, it does feel moisturized, taking out the twist to go be able to rinse it out. But I guess the real verdict would be once I rinse it out, how my hair is feeling, if I lost any strands, and so on and so forth. But as of right now, I really love it. I really love how my curls is really poppington, okay? And yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It's definitely saturated with the product. The conditioner is not sitting on my hair. As you can see, like it's really intertwined with each and every strand of hair. So I really do like that. So far, I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out and then give you my final thoughts. And that will be the end of this video. All right guys, so I'm back and this is what my hair is looking like. I could definitely say that it is strong, like it feels very strong. My curls, I mean, I have very kinky hair, but they are pretty defined. I don't know if I could see that. They are very defined right now. My hair is soft and my hair does definitely feel moisturized. So I definitely would say that I do like this product. It felt like a deep treatment mask to me more than a conditioner, because you're supposed to apply it in your hair before you shampoo. But I actually like the fact that I did it after I did my complete wash day and everything, because my hair feels super strong, super soft, and I wouldn't want to rinse out the strength or like the moisture that my hair naturally has right now after using the product. I will say that you do smell the ginger as you're rinsing out your hair. Like that's the time that the smell is the most prominent. If the smell of ginger doesn't bother you, then you're all good. So that is the end of this video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have already used this product, let me know in the comment section below what you thought about it, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if the smell bothers you, if it doesn't bother you. Whatever you want to tell me, just leave it down in the comment section below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one. And that's it, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Whoo, child, to get here. Oh wait, let's try this again. additional moisture and hydration for your hair. Wait, no. Dang, I cannot read today. The conditioner is kind of like a thick consistency. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a little thick. Oh dang, I made a whole mess. Y'all, why ain't tell me? So y'all gonna have me out here with a piece of blueberry in my teeth? And y'all rude.